Look who's here!
How are you?
We got a guest appearance.
You're shooting right
Yeah, what's
Oh,
up?
fuck. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
So you're doing walk the talk thing.
Kind of.
Chai,
Kind of.
right?
We're
Yeah,
sipping
yeah.
Naril Pani today.
Oh, nice. I
She
love
knows my show name and all, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, what's up?
Welcome.
Good to see you.
Are
Thank
you
you
set
so
to
much.
spill some tea with me? Because
Yeah,
that's what
sure.
the show
I
is
love
called.
spilling tea. Yeah.
I
love
know
spilling
you're
stuff.
in the middle of hectic promotions for Tripling 2.
Yeah.
Thank you for allowing me to pile on.
No, thank
I
you.
promise
for
I'm going to make it
inviting
as much fun as possible. So we're going to
I'll
hit
also
the
try.
road just a bit. I know this is where you live. You haven't invited me home. But if I were to
It's
come
a-
upstairs,
it's
what
a bit
would...
of a mess. So
That's what home's like?
Not bit also, but it's in a lot of mess right now.
Messy
Because of
guy?
promotions, yeah. There's just clothes all over the place and shoes. One of my-
Bhade ke kapde, like-
Bhade ke kapde, you know, all the brands and all the bags are there. So one of my friends, he's an actor, Chandan Roy Sanyal. I met him after a long time. 2 days back, he came over to my place and he was amazed. Like my house was full of clothes and shoes and my bedroom is full of stuff. and
It's
the
such a
kitchen is
good
full of
feeling,
stuff.
na? Someone's always dressing you up, telling you what to
Yeah.
wear. I'm so envious, honestly.
Mostly. It's a good
So
thing.
what's your day like today? Like where are we headed?
So we are going to Mehboob studio right now and there's apparently some promotional stuff happening. I am not asking for details anymore because
It's the
kya
same
fayda
old,
hai?
same shit.
Same old, but whatever is going to be, we have to do. You know, so I'm not really asking for ki kaun hai, kya hai. We just go there and
Figure
play
it out,
by
wing
the ball.
it.
Yeah.
What's the one question you're sick and tired of being asked? I will at least try to keep it out of this interview.
There are two questions. One is what color my hair is going to be in this season.
Check.
And the second is there a song like the song we had in season 1? Is there a motherfucker song or is there a remix or is there a new song which is better than the earlier song?
So we're gonna hit the road
Let's
in
go.
this super cool car that you guys have.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I mean, we got a nice big car
Yes.
this time. Last time also we had a nice car. It was nicely cozy, but this was... So I will come from that
Thank
side.
you. And we are on the road. I'm attempting a road trip in Mumbai. However, hell,
Nice.
this
No.
works out for us.
I love driving though. Right now I'm not in the driving seat.
Yes.
But
But you
I,
like driving.
I
You're a
love
good
driving
driver?
so much that I love driving in Bombay also.
Really?
So that
Wow,
is
that's saying a
that's a
lot.
sign of how much I love driving. Like I can die on the driving wheel. I think.
Wow, that's heavy. But do you actually like hang out a lot in your area? Like, do you have addas over here that you do a lot of stuff?
My adda is my car.
Yeah?
Yeah. So sometimes I just park my car in one shady corner. Not shady as in which is under
Not
shade.
sounding good.
It's not getting direct sunlight, and I'll just chill there for a while. Sometimes I read scripts in the car, just put on the AC, some music.
Really, you
Just
actually
chill.
like being in the car? This
Yeah,
show is
I'm-
written for you, man.
Yeah, and not just this show. I've been doing a lot of stuff which is travel and
Yeah.
which is I'm somehow always in a car.
What's your music like? Like, what's one
Anything.
song that you can play for me right now?
Anything.
Chalo, let's listen
these
to it.
these days I've been listening to this one song.
Mm-hmm.
I just discovered it on a platform.
A platform. Which is not paying you money yet.
Which
yeah?
is not paying me money yet. So hopefully soon, if they pay me money, I'll tell you what platform it is, and I'll say good things about the platform also, and how it helps me discover new music.
New music.
It's a song called Sunflower Seeds by this artist called Bryce Vine.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how it's pronounced exactly. And in fact, I looked him up on Instagram. I sent him a message
Really?
saying how much I love this song because I've been listening to it non-stop. I've been listening to it on loop, and I've been making other people listen, which is what happens, when you discover a song and you love it, and then you want other people to also listen to it, and other people are like, nice. What's
fuss
you've been talking about this song, but it's very nice. I don't know, just sometimes you hit a song which works for you.
Strikes a chord.
It works
Yeah.
as a nice BGM of your life at that point of time. So it's that kind of song. This is the song.
Sunflower seeds, 40 answers to the question she's
Asking of me what you doing later on.
I got nowhere to be. No, no, no.
Already like it.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Is my crew on? What are you on? We've been uptown cruising in the Yukon. Got a couple girls on my living room futon, and they're about to wake, so better get a move on. Better get some food on. Cause when I'm hungry, I'm a prick. I ate latest niggas with a sneak ain't doing shit. Argue over sushi.
Did you get a reply on Instagram?
Yeah, he said thanks, man.
Yay!
Yeah. But what I really wanted to say to him, which I haven't yet, maybe I will, is that if there is no music video yet for this song, I would love to be in this music video. This is just like what I see when I listen to this song is, yeah, it's got a vibe.
Visualized
It's got
it
a
and
nice
everything.
California vibe. I've never been to California, but I'm just saying.
Now's a good time to
it just
go.
seems like this is California vibe, or even Warsaw. Warsaw is our California, I think.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
It's our Beverly Hills.
So, like you said, you're not from Bombay. You're a Delhi boy.
Yeah.
How did?
Not the typical Delhi boy though, because I used to
What's
face
the
this.
typical Delhi boy?
I didn't know till I came to Bombay, because
Yeah.
I used to get called if they were looking for a Delhi boy for a part in a film or a show or an
What
ad.
was the brief?
So they'll say, ki, haan, come, so I'll be called, ki, haan, Delhi boy,
Delhi
you're
boy.
also Delhi boy, come. But then they'll meet me, they'll talk to me and say, not Delhi enough. I said, no, I've grown up in Delhi, I'm born in Delhi, how can I not be Delhi enough? He said, no, it's not, no, you're not Delhi enough. You kahin aur raha hoga, kuch aur kiya. No, just, you're not what we were looking for. So, and I was not Bombay enough also. So I used to feel really bad that where am I from then? At least as an actor or as a character, what should I be?
Do
in
you
the
like
beginning?
giving auditions?
I have given crores of auditions.
Really?
Yeah, I used to love giving auditions because that was the only acting I got to do sometimes, in some phases of your life. Because the strange thing about acting is, as compared to other things like singing and dancing, is that a singer can sing alone sitting at home, at least practice. A dancer can do a routine alone.
Yeah.
But what does an actor do?
Yeah, that
You
is
can't be
true.
sitting at home alone and acting. Who are you
That
acting
is
for? You
true.
need somebody to act for.
Yeah.
So you need an audience there, even if it's just a camera, even if it's an audition, it's two people in a room, but you need, because you can't act alone. I don't know. I've never
Yeah,
tried. It just doesn't happen. Like it just,
Strange visual in my head also.
yeah, you feel schizophrenic. And you're like, यार मैं पागल तो नहीं हो रहा हूँ, am I going to be one of those stories? Where people say कि वो बॉम्बे गया था और वो देखो काम नहीं मिला, बेचारा पागल हो गया. अब अकेले बैठे बैठे खुद ही scenes करता रहता है. And I have seen people like that in Bombay. It's scary.
It is.
And I know people who just pick up a bag every morning and they just go to all those places.
What keeps you motivated? I often
it is,
wonder.
it's kind of weird. I'd done that. I'd done this 6-month exercise where once I started giving auditions, like I started to get calls for some ads and stuff. So in the beginning, I was only going where people were calling me, which was okay, let's give me some theatre actors. So at least your name
So
will
at
pop
least you
up.
know you're fit for the.
So you know कि 15 लोगों की list है, वो same 15 people you'll see in that room. So you know the brief is that give me some 15 this age group
Delhi
theatre
boys.
actors, the Delhi boys who look like this or whatever. So you used to walk into those rooms and say, हाँ ये यहाँ पे हमारा requirement आया है. So I was going only for things that I was getting called for. And then in my head one day it shifted that why am I not doing what other people are doing? Why am I not hustling every day?
Yeah.
So I spent some 6 months doing that. Waking up in the morning, finding out आज कहाँ पे कौन सा audition हो रहा है.
ये कैसे
क्या
पता
क्या
चलता है?
So there are WhatsApp groups and there is
Wow,
like
it's another
people
world,
share,
man.
and people are very helpful.
Really?
You'd think that actors are competitive and they won't. It's like full WhatsApp groups. Actors say कि अरे तू वहाँ गया.
Mass forward.
Yeah, and you're sitting with somebody. It's like तूने वो दिया क्या? मैं वहाँ पे वो दे क्या है? तो ऐसे कर उसके बाद में
that's
तो वहाँ चले
amazing.
जाएगा. It's amazing. That is
Network
a show
of-
waiting to happen.
Yeah,
And I
that's
want to do a show
amazing.
on that. It is we've not explored that. Well, we have like Luck by Chance, for example, is a
Yeah,
great film
yeah.
on actors, but the world of Mahada and Aram Nagar and Shriji, I don't know if you even know these terms, but they are big terms in Andheri and people who
yeah.
live in the western suburbs. Like Shriji is a temple and
Aram Nagar is the hub,
Nagar
right?
is a hub. It's Aram Nagar has no Aram. There is so much sweat and blood and tears in those sands of Aram Nagar, those dusty lanes
And
of Aram
dreams,
Nagar.
like-
And dreams getting shattered and getting made. But the thing is that if 100 people apply for a job, only one person gets it. So there's one dream getting made and 99 getting shattered, and then they're crying or bitching or just getting frustrated and thinking nepotism. hua hai," and stuff. So yeah, so that
So you
happened.
did
So
that.
the 6 months I was hustling a lot. I got humiliated so many times because sometimes they throw you out of the room. They just
The
look at you
smile
and
with
say,
which you're saying it, it's
I
bit
mean, yeah,
amazing, huh?
I chose it, and I couldn't have complained because I couldn't have told people कि ये क्यों हो रहा है? Why am I having to go to these places? धूप में जा रहा हूँ मैं 2-2 घंटा वेट कर रहा हूँ. If I told sir कि तू आया ना जॉब छोड़ के आया अभी करो अभी क्या कहे हमने तो बोला था.
अभी वापस आना है
देखो हाँ बताओ अब सोचो अब क्या करना है? You want a job? You want to come back?
Yeah.
So I couldn't have complained really.
You're passing Bachchan's bungalow. Does that do something to you when you pass? I don't know.
No,
like,
I'm not that guy.
You're not that guy?
No, I'm not that guy.
So you're not filmy?
I'm not filmy. I didn't grow up as a filmy kid. In fact, in Bombay, I feel a little lost because a lot of people who come to Bombay to be a part of the industry, they grew up on films. They are here because they're passionate and they used to remember all the dialogues and they know the scenes and they know how it was shot and that scene. I have no idea. I have no dialogues I remember or certain scenes I remember. I used to enjoy watching films, but never imagined myself in them. I have the utmost respect for people like Viswa. He's been around for so long and he's still carrying on, and I see people around me who 2-3 saal
But you're
mein
not like
bechare, they get
fanboy,
spun.
you'll be like...
But no, I'm not that guy who, and I know people who
Who-
have in a rickshaw, have stopped the rickshaw, gone there, एक ऐसा मत्था टेका, एक ऐसा हाथ वाथ जुड़ा, and I've seen that in front of me. I'm like, wow.
Amazing.
ऐसा कि यार अभी मैं बॉम्बे आया हूँ तो एक बच्चन साहब का and मन्नत and गैलेक्सी वो 3-4 जगह पे वो मत्था टेका, literal मत्था टेका. It's not even like it's
Actors?
not, yeah, actor. Like when come to Bombay, somebody I was doing a play with, and I was sharing a rickshaw with. He stopped the rickshaw. He said, I'll just come back in 2 minutes. He crossed the road and he did one. And I'm watching him doing that from across the road. I'm like, should I also do that? इससे कुछ
Is
होता है
that
क्या?
what it is?
इससे कुछ होता है क्या? Maybe अंदर से वो ऐसा आशीर्वाद मिल रहा होगा कुछ and मेरी किस्मत जागेगी. But yeah, I know a lot of people who are that emotionally connected to film and film actors. I never got starstruck also mostly.
But what does fame feel like to you? When you walk the streets, what's fame like for you?
It is at this stage. I think it's a little interesting because some people go really crazy.
Yeah, they know
You know,
everything
they know
about
everything.
you.
They know more than I think they should know, and they've researched their Wikipedia and they know my history and school and college and everything. And they go like and they're shaking and while they're taking a picture. It's cute. And
You
then there are
enjoy it.
some people who are just looking at this and saying, "Kaun hai?"
Is he that?
No, you're like, "Kaun hai? Who is he?"
Why is he getting
Yeah,
so
because
much power?
why is this happening? Who is he? We've never seen him. So yesterday only in Delhi, I think in the hotel, I bumped into Chitwan, Kunal, and they're taking pictures. And one of the hotel staff was like, "ये Punjabi singer है क्या?" And my manager is like, हाँ मतलब पता नहीं पंजाबी सिंगर तो नहीं. टीवी में आते हैं, सीरियल में आते हैं. And then you don't know what to say. You're not going to explain to that person कि नहीं मैं ऐसा वेब शोज करता हूँ. कहाँ पे आते हैं वेब शोज? सिर्फ वो फोन पे, लैपटॉप पे. अच्छा अच्छा.
I'm going to experiment with that and take a break here. भैया इधर लेफ्ट में रोक दीजिए ना नारियल पानी पीते.
नारियल पानी.
रोड ट्रिप वाला फील तो चाहिए ना. So
Yeah.
let's stop and get some नारियल पानी.
Neat नारियल पानी?
Neat.
Okay.
On the rocks. Let's get some
So you
नारियल
stop
पानी.
here often?
I don't know if we'll get shooed away, but we'll find out. नारियल पानी. मलाई वाला?
Anything.
Anything. Do you get to do this often?
Like stop here and have nariyal pani? No. I mean, it's not about not getting to do this. I don't do it.
You don't enjoy it?
I mean, I'd
Thanks
rather
for
just.
doing this for me then.
I mean, it's fun. I have done this. Yeah. When
During the shoot?
When I used to come to Prithvi,
Near
then
enough.
nariyal pani was maybe a lunch
Oh shit.
or maybe a chai and vada pav. No, नहीं
सच
इतना
में
बुरा
होता है
हाल
क्या? नहीं
नहीं,
ना?
as in, if I talk about how much money we make out of theatre, yes. But thankfully, I had some other. Hey, look who's here!
How are you?
We got a guest appearance.
You?
You're shooting right
Yeah, what's
Oh,
up?
fuck. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
So
It's okay.
aren't you? Aren't
He's
you?
I'm
on
just
his
on
way.
the way.
Yeah.
We're
I'm
shooting on
driving
the way.
with him.
Okay, okay. Chalo, chalo. ठीक है.
Oh, hey, you want to have nariyal pani?
Oh, I just messaged Ravi to get me nariyal pani.
So we're shooting with nariyal pani.
Right, scared, yeah. Oh, are you doing walk the talk thing?
Kind
Sipping
of,
chai with,
kind of.
Right?
We're
Yeah,
sipping
yeah.
nariyal pani today.
Oh, nice. I
She
love the
knows
first
my
episode.
show name and all, yeah.
I loved. I've only seen that.
That's the
first
only one.
I've only seen
That's the only one.
Loved it.
Thank you.
Chalo, you guys
Thanks.
carry on. Bye.
See you in a bit.
Wow, wow. See, I'm
that
getting
was,
bhava
yeah,
now.
this was
Wow.
fun, yeah. Like, how
So, I want to talk about tripling.
you- okay.
You have this really big part 2 coming up. The first time, obviously, you guys didn't know what you were getting into.
Yeah, thank you.
But now, of course, ek aur. But no, that's fine.
well.
Thank you. But this time over, of course, the expectations are huge. What's the vibe right now? I just saw like your co-star go right by. So
Yeah, and we're all busy promoting and going different places, talking about the show. So yeah, I think 2 years back it was a different world. The digital world was slightly different. There were not too many platforms.
That's
There were much fewer shows. Now there are more shows than there are people to watch. I think there's a show coming every second day, and big shows, and there's a lot of promotion and there's a lot of scale to the shows as well. But at that time, Tripling was a big show. Like, it was a huge show
It is.
for us, even for the digital world, because when it started, let's say around 2013-14, when
Full sponsored and
हाँ,
brand
but
integration.
फिर भी the thoughts were कि let's keep it contained. Like most of the web, if it was digital, it was mostly about in a house, in a room, in a restaurant, in a cafe. You know, because those are the kind of budgets people were dealing with,
Sure.
and those are the kind of scale people were dealing with. And suddenly we put out a trailer of this show, which opens with a drone shot across the hills, and there's this song, and there's the car going in the hills, and, you know, and then.
But this time I hear the scale is way bigger even, which
Bigger
means
than
a lot
season one.
more comfortable shooting situations for the
Yeah,
actors,
yeah,
was
yeah.
it?
I mean, it's a shooting a travel thing. I can say it from experience, from a lot of experience
Lot
of
of
shooting
experience.
travel stuff. That is not as much fun as it looks, because there is a lot of.
ये सब नहीं होता है क्या?
ये सब नहीं होता है. वहाँ पे आप रुकेंगे, नारियल पानी पीने का बोलेगा, चलो चलो अगला शॉट रेडी है उधर, नारियल पानी बाद में. There's a lot of pressure to move constantly and to reach certain locations at a certain time so that you can finish in time, and sometimes it gets a little too hectic. So last time was a little hectic because I think TBF was doing it for the first time, experimenting with a show that was on the road, traveling with a crew of 50 people, and again this was people were not even thinking of this kind of thing on web at that time. कि ये तो खर्चा है, like how do you travel with 50 people and a crew and this thing and shoot in the desert, and you know it might look like just 3 people in a frame, but there is a whole setup behind that. You know, you have to find that spot. How do you get stuff? How do you get cars into a desert? How do you get buses? And how do you shoot? Like 12 to 3 on some days, we were not shooting at all because one, it was too hot, and two, our DOP refused. He said it just looks horrible because the sun is right there, you know, on top of our heads, and just nobody's face. You could see the shadows on the faces.
Yeah, which
Thankfully,
should,
used to.
Is the sun on our heads?
Yeah, thanks to the DOP, used to get a break in the afternoon. Like, oh, it's too hot. Let's just go chill in the van for a while. So used to get those 2-hour breaks. So these kind of stuff you're dealing with. If you're shooting in a car, the AC can't be on
Oh shit.
because the sound will be a problem.
Yeah.
So you look like you're having fun, like woohoo, baba, hey!
Actually
And you're
melting.
sweating inside, and you have to cut sometimes because everybody's sweating. It's like, oh shit, everybody's sweating. You have to do it again. So these kind of stuff you don't get to see.
See, actually.
Yeah. So this time I think because we had all done it once, so creatively at least the actors knew what we were getting into. We were not too tense about our characters and what is going to happen and how it's going to turn
Have you
out.
figured out what made them cast you for your character? Because you really seem to be like the antithesis of him, right? Like,
Yeah. And 2 years back I was more of an antithesis
Yeah.
than I am right now. You know, right
So
now
when
if you
you
look
read
at me,
the
it's like,
script-
chalo, phir bhi ho sakta hai.
yeah, now you
But at that
become
time
him
I used to
almost.
be like this very straight looking guy, Suda Sada, likhne wala at least.
तो मैंने
And then-
script पढ़ के what was your first reaction?
So the idea was Sumit and me to play brothers, which everybody universally agreed with. They said, हाँ, तो obvious
Why?
है, Sumit, Amol. And this people had told us before also. His own sister had told me, like, you're more his brother than I am his sister.
Amazing.
And we didn't used to agree. आपको होता ना कि नहीं मैं हम लोग अलग अलग यार. We have different personalities, you know. We're not the same. Like no, you look similar. You talk in a similar fashion. You have
do.
similar sense
You
of
do.
humor.
You do.
Yeah, now I don't fight that notion. Now we've played brothers successfully,
Yes.
and people sometimes think we are real brothers also. And I've been mistaken for his brother when I was hanging with him, and he was enjoying his permanent roommate's fame. So I would be him saying like, "अरे मिकेश भैया, मिकेश भाई, आप भाई हैं इनके छोटे भाई." तो हाँ, संभाल लीजिए, छोटे भाई जैसे ही.
So, have you become more of your character now? Have you become cooler? Has that?
I think so.
I think so.
I think so. I think it's left some remnants of itself in me, and I think you also become more confident about yourself when you get some amount of validation and recognition. So वो एक when you then
Confidence
experiment,
आ जाता है.
हाँ कि अभी मैं ये भी पहन सकता हूँ. I can wear a yellow jacket.
And rock
Yeah,
it in the
कौन
sun.
क्या बोल रहा है? कोई है यहाँ पे? मैं yellow jacket पहनूंगा.
ये orange है वैसे.
अभी orange लग रहा है. I think it's yellow only. See? It's yellow, yeah.
I'm going to let you drink your nariyal pani now.
Okay.
Before we get back on the road.
This is ad acting. You miss my ad while acting, yeah. And sometimes you have to be really specific in ads. Huh? I mean, that aha has to be 2.5 seconds.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
They give you this brief.
Yeah, sometimes they do have These kind of
Hold
stuff.
the for.
So it can't be or it can't be It has to be So
You
and then
guys
you're
in this
having to
world
do
is
that
so
like
fat.
20 times, 25 times.
Not sounding odd at all by the end of it.
So ads teach you a lot in this sense.
In this sense.
Yeah. Feeling nicely refreshed after
It is.
Nariyal Pani.
I'm very excited.
know,
So do you feel like your fans feel like you are your character? Does that happen?
That used to happen a lot in the beginning. I think now they've figured out more of my personality because I've done other stuff and they've seen me in other
And social media.
social
I think
media.
that's such a
yeah.
great
So
way to
वो भी
get
है.
to know the
But
person.
उसमें फिर भी अभी भी a lot of people expect Chitwan from me.
Really?
And शुरू में तो बहुत होता था. All the colleges I used to go to, and I used to, if I'm going out and in a bar or a pub and I meet a bunch of youngsters, and like, yeah, now something funny is going to happen. And I'm like, Baba, you want to come out and smoke a do? Like,
shit.
like, no, I don't do all of that. And I'm like, what? So
Shit, that's
I could
awkward.
see the disappointment in their eyes कि मतलब उनका दिल टूट गया कि ऐसा what Chitwan you don't smoke what no अच्छा so you make your own music
No,
I
not
said,
even
no
that.
that's the music director he made that song I said, oh अच्छा oh
Is my life is a lie.
yeah. So yeah, a lot of people expected Chitwan from me. I think which is why also I had to start being Chitwan a little more. कि थोड़ा सा तो मैं कर सकता हूँ, जितना मैं कर सकता हूँ, उतना
I don't
मैं
wanna
करूँगा.
disappoint
Okay, I'll give you
everyone.
some selfies. Yeah. So I do all of that sometimes. I go
But
to
now
a
you're
college.
enjoying it.
I enjoy it, and it also becomes a part of you. And it's not false. It's just something that, especially with actors, I feel the kind of characters they live, especially on long form projects, they do leave remnants in you. And so a lot of who you end up becoming is also defined by the projects and the characters you end up doing. Is what I feel on a very subliminal level.
At which
that
rate
happens.
you'd probably be schizophrenic, because I was just doing the math. You've done a show with practically every
Yeah.
platform that we have
Yeah.
here in India. What?
Yeah.
Who does your scheduling? Like, how does this work for you?
For the longest time, I was doing it, and which is why I was doing stuff like I was shooting. Let's say last year, for around 15 days, I was shooting in Bombay, then taking a flight in the night, going to Delhi, then shooting in Delhi, then taking a flight in the night and coming to Bombay, shooting in Bombay.
Really? Every
Sometimes it was one day, sometimes it was two days. So 2 days in Bombay, then flight in the night, and Delhi 2 days. And so yeah, so I have done stuff like that, and it still happens sometimes because also I'm greedy. It's something good that कोई बोलेगा कि अरे वो 4 दिन का है, but it become too hectic and it just be too physically taxing. We're just like, physically, we'll figure it out. We'll steal some naps in the van or somewhere in the flight. So
Sir, I was just talking about how you've managed to do a web show on practically every platform. I'm obviously not asking you what your salary is, but is being a hardcore web show actor today a wholly sustainable career? Because just for those who are looking to possibly dabble in it, I want to know from you.
I'll give a weird answer. Like struggle, I think sustainability is also a relative thing. So, like I know a lot of people who said, "Yaar, I did that show because I needed money." It depends on what you needed money for. If you needed money because
pay
you
your
wanted
rent.
to pay your rent or to eat food, that's a different thing. If you needed money because you're used to buying clothes from Zara and nothing and everything else feels like lesser than that. And so there are different kinds of stuff. What the money I'm making right now, I can survive on it. But I want more. Maybe I want to wear better clothes, more clothes. I want to fill up my house more with clothes and shoes, and then get a bigger house so that I can fill it up more.
More clothes.
So it's about what you want. It's about what you want. The basic needs are getting taken care of.
And like that, we have arrived at Mehboob Studio.
Yeah.
It's a good feeling, yeah, to drive in here.
Yeah. Mehboob, I've shot a bit here, ads and stuff. It's one of the more expensive studios, I think, in Bombay. So usually not the big shoots don't happen here unless you're a big actor.
Salman Khan,
Yeah, because
Shah Rukh
they
Khan.
live around, so it's closer to them.
Yeah.
So they can complain also. And if you can shoot in Mehboob, why are you making me come all the way? I can't do that yet.
So now you dive straight into promotions.
Yeah, we start talking about tripling
Tripling.
two. And yeah, I don't know. I think all three of us are there. Sumit was missing in action last couple of days. He had a sprained ankle. I think he's joining us back, and we have the screening today,
Yeah.
which you're missing because
Which
you're going to
I'm-
Philippines. Yeah, whatever.
But this was so much fun, dude. I love it when an actor just like breaks away from the four walls of a banquet hall and like
Yeah, I mean,
stops on the way and gets Nariyal Pani. This is a refreshing change.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what those banquet halls lives are. I live in my small house in Lokhandwala. I step down for Nariyal Pani, sometimes in my boxers. And then I feel like, oh no, some people recognize me, I should go wear pants. So I go back wear pants and like, oh, 2-3 लोग तो जानते हैं यार मुझे, कोई तो मिल जाएगा शायद. So I need to be careful about that. That's also the flip side of fame.
Fame, yeah. Cute. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was so
This
much
was
fun, yeah.
Great fun. And
Now I think I'm
all-
getting back into those regular
Tell us about-
interviews. Yeah. I want this to continue. This is fun. I'm in a car
Yeah.
and I'm talking. And we are talking. It's a nice, fun,
great.
flowing conversation.
Of
yeah.
course,
It's
I
not
had
like
a
ये
great
question
time.
है और यही जवाब देना है. अरे नहीं वो बताओ पहले. Hey guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to Film Companion and keep watching Spill the Tea with
Had
Sneha.
fun?
Yeah, of course
Good
I
fun.
do. This time we spilled some Nariyal Pani though. But
That is true.
Yeah, we could spill some tea also.
Thank
Next
you so
time
much.
we spill some tea.
Done deal. All the best for
Thank you
tripling.
so much.